Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make decals on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser on your device, whether it is mobile or a iPhone, and just go to search bar here. Just go to search bar and type roblox.com. In the search bar, just go to roblox.com, and once you are on Roblox, just tap on this create tab. It will take you to the dashboard of Roblox. Now you just need to uh, just tap on this menu button here and go to creation. In creation, if you want to create decals, just tap on this development items and tap on decals here. So here you can create your own decals. Just need to upload any image you want. Just tap on it. Just tap on this upload button to upload your image and enter the name of the decals, description here, and then upload. Tap on this upload button. Now once you created your game decals, and if you want to copy the decals id, just tap on this three dot and click on copy asset id, and you can use this asset id to import your decals in the Roblox studio. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.